Hey, you! Yes, you!
If you watch this video, it means you are lucky, because by watching this video, you can survive the economic crisis in 2030 tomorrow. So I really hope you watch this video before it's too late if you still want to live in 2030, which will be full of artificial intelligence. So, why will 2030 be the most crucial year for humanity? It all started with a statement, Roman Yampolsky, who said that in 2027, all jobs will be at risk of being replaced by robots, which you can see in this video.
So we'd have artificial general intelligence by 2027. And how would that make the world different to how it is now?
So if you have this concept of a drop-in employee, you have free labor, physical and cognitive, trillions of dollars of it. It makes no sense to hire humans for most jobs. If I can just get, a $20 subscription or a free model to do what an employee does, first, anything on a computer will be automated.
Even so, it turns out, Roman Yampolsky said that the crisis will come in 2027, not 2030, which means 3 years earlier. And in the end, we know that the cause of all the crises is the robots that humans created themselves. If you still have doubts about this crisis, try listening to the statement from the #1 richest person in the world.
That would be insane. And mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. Far.
Yes, you heard right. Elon Musk said that robots could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons. Elon Musk's statement is very possible because nowadays, robots can think much faster than humans. And in fact, now humans are more often dependent on robots in their daily activities, which indirectly makes humans lazier in thinking for themselves. And after all that happens, the possibility of human jobs being replaced by robots will become higher. Then all that's left are the rich people, and the people who want to learn artificial intelligence before 2027. So how to survive this crisis? So, in short, to survive this crisis is to learn how the robots themselves work. By learning to know and use robots well, it will make it easier for you to make money, and you will not be replaced by robots. Here we learn that no matter how good the technology created, it still has big risk involved. We as humans should also develop, instead of just relying on technology. I hope this video can be useful for all of us, so that we can survive this crisis. And remember that Stephen Hawking once said that success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last, unless we learn how to avoid the risks. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start your career.